HO slot car racing remains a foundational hobby for scale modeling enthusiasts, offering approachable scale, detailed bodies and competitive performance on entry-level and advanced tracks alike. The AFX lineup in this comparison represents a mix of historically significant designs, performance-focused chassis technology, and value-oriented options.
Product number 1. AFX/Racemasters Ford GT40 MkIV number 2 AFX 22014HO slot racing cars. This Ford GT40 MkIV variant is presented as a high-detail replica with a historically significant chassis and body approach. Key features include the US-built MkIV designation with the J5 chassis and the distinctive gurney bubble roof treatment, aiming to deliver both visual authenticity and track-ready performance. The model sits in AFX's Racemasters line, pairing classic styling with a modern HO footprint. Prospective buyers should note the 14 months, 14 years age range, suggesting suitability for younger hobbyists as an introductory platform, as well as base-level collectors seeking accurate livery and heritage. Performance-wise, the GT40 MkIV number 2 emphasizes a traditional HO power delivery and chassis geometry. The inclusion of a heavier roll cage in the real car is less about dominance on track and more about authenticity. For slot racing, this can translate to slightly more mass and inertia, potentially smoothing off acceleration in some layouts, but requiring more careful throttle control on tight corners. With a car that is highly detailed and collectible, mechanical updates from AFX's newer lines may not be as aggressive in weight reduction or drivetrain optimization as newer Mega G variants, but it remains a capable performer on standard HO tracks. For enthusiasts prioritizing historical accuracy and display value alongside racing capability, this model offers a compelling blend. Product number 2. AFX 22087 Mega G Plus 1972 Chevelle SS454 Black HO Slot Car. The 1972 Chevelle SS454 in Mega G Plus is a high-detail muscle car offering within AFX's 1:24 scale presentation. It emphasizes refined drivetrain efficiency and power handling with a focus on realism and smooth power transfer. The scale name indicates a slightly larger footprint relative to typical HO cars, and the Mega G Plus designation implies a performance-oriented chassis with energy-efficient components and a robust track grip profile. This model is positioned to appeal to collectors seeking a stylish, high-performance ride that remains accessible to hobbyists looking for solid reliability and a strong on-track presence. In practice, the Chevelle Mega G Plus delivers a well-tuned balance between grip and agility. The 1:24 scale and updated powertrain offer predictable handling characteristics that ease transition for new drivers while still satisfying experienced hobbyists seeking stable long-run performance on diverse layouts. The model's smaller weight footprint relative to older designs, combined with Mega G Plus efficiency claims, can translate to smoother acceleration curves, less wheel spin on entry, and more consistent lap times. Given its strong user reviews, 4.8 out of 5 from 52, it stands out as a reliable, attractive option for everyday racing and display alike.
Product number 3. AFX 22071 Shelby GT350R 1965 Donohue White Blue. The Shelby GT350R 1965 Donohue edition presents a classic American muscle silhouette with a white and blue Donohue livery. This model emphasizes scale realism with a lightweight approach and a chassis design that aligns with AFX's established slot car heritage. The package notes that batteries are not required, indicating a rechargeable or pre-wired power approach typical of slot cars designed for convenience and immediate play. With a 4.8 out of 5-star rating from 26 reviewers, it is clearly well regarded in its niche for both display and driving experience. Performance-wise, this GT350R variant prioritizes quick response and crisp cornering, aided by AFX's lightweight chassis philosophy. The Donohue treatment adds period-correct aesthetics that appeal to collectors and racers seeking historical accuracy. However, its footnote of batteries required, false, suggests a direct electrical connection design common in HO slot cars, which can translate to straightforward operation and lower maintenance for casual users. The car's relatively light weight contributes to nimble handling, making it a good fit for indoor tracks with tight turns and shorter straightaways.
Product number 4. AFX Racemasters Ford GT40 Mark IV No. 3 Lemans AFX 22053 HO slot racing cars. This Ford GT40 MkIV No. 3 Lemans variant represents a lighter, smoother, and more energy-efficient approach within the Racemasters line. Claims of being up to 33% lighter than MkIV and 35% lighter than competing HO chassis indicate a focus on improved acceleration, reduced drag, and more lively handling on demanding tracks. It also emphasizes an exclusive extra-long tapered guide pin for track retention and high-carbon power unit brushes for longer life. The specification set positions this car as a more advanced option within HO racing, intended for serious hobbyists who value both performance and durability. Performance-wise, the lighter chassis translates to faster throttle response and improved cornering stability, especially on tight or technical tracks. The longer guide pin helps maintain line on longer straights and through corners, reducing drift and occasional derailments. The use of high-carbon brushes suggests durability and a more consistent electrical contact over time, contributing to stable power delivery. A reviewer eye will note that this model sits toward the upper end of the HO spectrum within AFX's Racemasters lineup, making it a strong choice for enthusiasts who want a more race-oriented feel without stepping into dedicated pro kits.
Product number 5. AFX Racemasters 2-Pack Stalker AFX 22041 HO slot racing cars. The 2-Pack Stalker represents a value-focused offering designed to deliver durable performance and extended durability for beginners and casual racers. The package emphasizes a light chassis, up to 35% lighter than other HO designs and 5% lighter than MkIV, and a robust, redundant power transfer system designed to maintain consistent power to the motor. Practical features include stronger pickup shoes for better power pickup, an extra-long tapered guide pin for track retention, and a durable nylon chassis with just enough flex to absorb minor track irregularities. The overall aim is reliable, budget-conscious performance with a dash of racing realism. On the track, Stalker AFX 22041 offers dependable power delivery, with reduced weight contributing to quicker startup and snappier mid-corner performance. The redundant power transfer system helps maintain consistent current to the motor even as track conditions vary, which translates to fewer power dips and steadier lap times. The package's focus on durability makes it an attractive option for families or clubs that want multiple cars for practice and casual racing without frequent part replacements. It is a strong value proposition within the AFX assortment, particularly for new entrants and budget-conscious hobbyists.